So I was scrolling around on my old TikToks and I saw this comment. I didn't get the chance to answer it. So now it will be a good time. I need to stop doing that. If I see a comment, I should just automatically answer. So anyway, this one wants to know how do I do the voice of Omega? Because I did a video of an impression of him. So I should probably show you all. Let me give you a rundown about this. So, step one is you have to figure out what does Omega sound like. And, when I picture Omega, he's low. He has a low voice like this. And he has a strong aggression against Eggman. Because when he first appeared in Sonic Heroes, he was really mad at Eggman for, sealing him in that room that he was in. When Rouge, sneaked in to seek to find treasure, but he found Omega and Shadow there. So that's what I kind of picture. So he sounds really low and he has a really angry side. And that's how Omega sounded like. So I'm gonna record online, from him saying that. So give me a second. Dr. Eggman, I will destroy you and reign supreme. I did the voice already, so now we are going to do a little bit of editing. And I'm using Audacity because it's much more, familiar to me. So let's get to it. First things first, you're gonna have to duplicate the voice tracks twice. Here we go. Let me just double check first. Perfect. Now, so on the first track, right here, we are going to pitch up the. We're gonna pitch it up, and we're gonna do the same thing with the bottom one. Just hang on a second. So we are going to for the first track, we're gonna change it to 20%. Just a little bit. There we go. So now we go to the bottom one, and now we are going to pitch that down to 20, but we're going to keep it at a negative 20, like this. Here we go, and perfect. Gotcha. Next, after we took care of those pitches, we're going to lower the gains right here. So both for the top and the bottom tracks, we're going to give them a negative 11 right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the top. All right. And now for the one that's not edited in the middle, we are going to do the same thing, but instead of negative 11, we're going to go into negative 8. Next, we are going to mix and render these tracks together. Here we go. And awesome. Perfect. So then we'll just have to add a normalize, I believe it's called. Let me see. So I normalized it, and now we're going to add a limit to it. These are all behind the effects. And last but not least, we are going to put a nose gate on these guys. Just hang on a second. And after we do all that stuff, it should come out just like this.
Dr. Eggman, I will destroy you and reign supreme.